Hi designers, I'm Tammy Cody from SketchUp For Interior Designers, and I am super pumped to be bringing you this course all about the structure sensor and the Canvas app and how it's going to take your SketchUp game and your business to the next level. It's going to save you hours of time, loads of stress, and it's going to make you look really good while doing it. The first part of the course is going to be all about getting you started with the structure sensor. How to set it up, how much it's going to cost, there's a coupon inside, best practices for scanning, and things like that. The second part of the course is all about taking that 3D model that Canvas will send you of the space and turning it into a design that you can present to your clients. If you are already set up with the structure sensor, you've got it on your iPad, you've taken a few practice scans, go ahead and skip to the 3D modeling part, and I will see you there.